And now we will go towards that little coffee shop area. The little nice coffee shops next to each other.
It's coming from that way now.
Mustafa always grabs me by the hand so that I wouldn't die. Because the traffic is like here, you know, you're used to looking to the left, but you actually have to look to the right.
Both sides coming.
Traffic is coming both ways and very fast, and they don't slow down even if you're crossing. Be careful. See, like they're just like, okay, because of camera we stop, but usually we don't. So here's another food shop.
You see, they remove all the signs. They're gonna make little signs now. They're gonna paint it, and then they're gonna make little signs. You see, they ripped off everything.
Alois says the restaurants are all open. Yes, they are all open. That's the point of the video today. We are showing how the restaurants opened. This is Dönercim, our favorite.
I like this doner here the most.
Another favorite.
Kuşadası.
And now we have tables out too. This is a very, very busy place. Usually we have a lot going on. Yeah, and their kebabs are really going fast and melting fast. Merhaba.
I recommend the beef here. Chicken also good, but beef is awesome.
Chicken I like more.
The beef comes from out of city, somewhere special in Turkey. So that's why it tastes good. Wow, very juicy, yeah?
Yeah, smells good, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, this is
Look at that.
Jane says that's my doner shop. Yes, Jane. Mine too. Kolay gelsin. Bye bye.
So
we are going to continue this way. Very nice. Yeah, so when I'm saying my favorites, don't forget that there are like 300 restaurants in Kuşadası or more. And we have like few favorites. One favorite kebab shop.
You can kind of see now the landscape.
Still under construction.
Yeah, but you can now kind of imagine how it's gonna be. They are missing now electric posts, missing there. They put the trees and then tiles. Now they are working on the buildings. They paint the buildings same color, and they put smaller signs. They remove the signs.
Yeah. Lorraine, hi. Hi to you. Back to Dublin. One day we will visit Ireland and Dublin. In Ireland we will go to Cork. Just because there's a lot of followers from Cork. So we'll go just a little bit to McDonald's and then we'll turn right. As you see, they are still renovating or constructing. Last time we did the walk here, everything was totally unfinished, and now it seems like it's getting little by little cleaned up more and more.
It's gonna look like this. White and then woods they put, and on top of wood they put the signs. This is the new style gonna be everywhere.
So these little pull-out signs, that's all we... Oh, you mean on the wooden sticks there will be signs? Ah, that's a new style of the signs then. So they'll put nice wooden signs all along. That's beautiful. More natural looking, more old town looking. I like that. We're not going right there?
So let's go down there because they're still working there. But all street gonna be same works, you will see.
Yeah.
Look, they paint outside, they change the roofs, smaller signs, gonna be...
Jamie says how many followers right now? Maybe in Facebook about 16,000.
Yeah.
Instagram maybe 3,500. It's getting bigger, you know. We have more and more. So this is very cute, cozy street. It's really beautiful. Really like this one. It has many little coffee shops here. As I said, they only allowed to be at 50% capacity, so they don't have as many tables as they could. And this beautiful new walkway too is unfinished at the moment. You see there are some details. Baby, don't fall inside somewhere. So this is very, very nice one, very picturesque, very vacation-y feeling here. Nice breeze coming from the sea right now. Would love to move there. Yeah, that's what we did. You know, we lived in Canada for many years. I have been there for 15. And then we just decided to retire to Kuşadası. Well, Mustafa is from here, but I mean, we gave up on Canada and we came here, and now we are enjoying our life for the last 2 years. So this is really cozy area to come and have a seat.
This is a really local place.
Yeah.
Like local, like teenagers, university students, me.
You, yeah.
I'm young too, you know.
Yeah. Alois says, can we come this summer? Definitely, if you manage to come with a flight that allows, you know, like I went to Lithuania and back in all of the worst times in January. So when the cities were with police blockages in the New Year's Eve, I had to go to Lithuania visit my mom. And no problem, you know, because you get a COVID test before you fly, and then you just come, and it's like, if you manage to get a flight, then you're all good. And if you don't have quarantine back home for 14 days, then it's also all right. So we just most important to get away. Some people already know us.
You see, they're painting same color, and then same colors and same design is gonna be.
All gray, and then they will put all these nice wooden ones on top. They're kind of losing their individuality. I don't know. It's like a little bit different for each of them. Colegas. But it's so nice to see the life back. To be able to sit again and enjoy the tea or coffee. To just relax a little bit. Kim says yellow chairs. Which one is the yellow chairs? I don't know, the chair's not yellow anymore. Maybe that's the one, yeah, the kappa was yellow chair one, I think. That's a very popular one. They used to have yellow chairs before. Yeah, they're very cute. Colegas. Look, they have very cute bookshelf here, you know? That's a nice style, nice idea. And here we are still finishing up the street. Which one is your friend's shop?
They all look same right now.
That one.
No, there is one more guy there. Yeah, curry, chicken curry.
Look, he had these woods already, kind of similar match to what...
Don't step here, they just done. This guy, he's doing very good job, you know. Look. This is for rainwater.
What he's doing?
He's gonna make around the same tiles. Come, this is for rainwater.
Very hard work. Great to see people enjoying coffee. Yes, definitely. Hi from Wales. Hope to be there in September. Yes, David. We hope you'll come and you'll join. You'll have a sit here. It's nice. Oh my God, I'm getting very hot.